Father, please walk with us through the bad times as well as the good. May we be heard and understood from the suburbs to the hood. May you judge us by our hearts and not by our mistakes. And see that we get a breakthrough, however long that it takes. May you fill that void in our souls that will lay our fears to rest. Cause there's no way we can live for Jesus when we're living in the flesh.
Just click the link, people, and subscribe, you see me? And have a blessed day. Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Same way whenever you hear this, you see me? Because we all need somebody to guide and protect us out there on the street. Because you never know what you might face today when you wake up, you see me? So always make a prayer before you come out of your house, you see me? And say you might cut and clear your path, you see me? Because you never know what's out there for you. You have to be careful of people. I'm out.